So this is what it looks like up close and personal. Okay. So 2 holes together, inserted into each hole is a dowel each. So it's 1, 2 dowels. Okay. See if you can see it this way. Okay, it's pretty easy, simple, of course. You can see it's obviously very simple. Okay, it's quite strong and sturdy, see? Okay, which is what we want. Okay, so I use dowels. These are about 5/16 of an inch, approximately. First, you're going to draw 2 holes very close together, just like that. Okay, just use a pencil and trace around the bottom. Okay. It doesn't matter if they are not the same height, really doesn't really matter, but just make sure that the clean ends are upright. This is really, really strong. I am trying to take it off. Look, can't even get it apart. So this will last for some time. So if you can get yourself some cardboard like this, you can try this idea. Or like I said, you can try it with wood. It's very simple. I have my long strip of cardboard, corrugated cardboard. It's very thick, okay? I am numbering them. This is 2 feet long. So what I'm going to do, or what I've done actually, is I have numbered them, okay? From 1 to 12, from left to right. But on the other end, I'm going to do the opposite direction. I'm going to go from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And with these little circular stickers, I am using them and I'm placing them on each strip, both long and short.
So I'm going to make a tail. And now that we have the numbers on them, we could we can use the numbers. And the thing about this, you can move it back and forth, right? That if you feel you have to adjust it. So I'm going to do you know what, I'm going to do an 8-inch tail. 8 inches. There. And so, right, remember when we get over on this side, I'm going to twist it. I don't have a roll because there's not much left, so I just have a piece here. So I'm just going to twist it over like that. Okay, and I think I'll have just about a 5-inch. I'll have a 5-inch tail. Now I can use this, my rod, dowel, to help me grab hold of it, and then I could put it through here. Put it in, and then when I get over here on this side, I am going to twist. Twist. Bring this over like this. Twist it over. I want it like this. I'm going to put the tail down here somewhere. Get out of my way because you can always adjust it later. Put it around. Okay, and I'm doing another, what do we do, 5 inches? 5 inches. Back over this way. Put that over like that. Twist it around. And we can always fix, don't worry about the bow at the moment because I can always fix it after. We'll do another 5 inches right with this one. Oh, I didn't twist that one. Let's twist this around. When you're new at this, you have to get a technique going. Okay, and then we're going to use a dowel again for guidance, and we're just going to bring this back around. Now that that's in there, you can just twist it, right? You see how strong this thing is? I don't have that much left. You see how strong the dowels are inside this cardboard? This cardboard is forever strong, I'm telling you. Okay, we'll twist. I'm not going to have much left. I'm going to be able to do a small one again. If you want a real pretty one, you have to go on another tutorial. Okay. So I'm going to use a flat ruler. Well, of course it's a flat ruler. I'm going to use a flat object like this to get this up, okay? I actually do not mind the flat bow look, the flat look. I actually like it very much. So if you can also flatten it out, and you can still get a very nice look with flat bow. You have that option because you have the wiring. So you can still get a nice look, and what you could do is you can actually curl the ends a little bit. You can curl it with your finger, or you can get a little skinny dowel, a skewer, whatever, and you can get a look like this. I like that look. You know, like I said, I haven't put this on yet. I don't know how I'm going to do it, so I'm just trying to figure out. But I like that look. I think that look is lovely. It's very elegant, and the colors are very nice. The blue and the white are very nice. It's very Christmassy. Who ever thought that we'd be using blue as a Christmas color, eh? Anyway, yes. So you can always use little things like dowels or skewers to kind of help you to manipulate the bow, right? Yeah. Okay.
So here you have it. It's not too bad for a first timer, a first time project, and a first time bow maker. So it's actually not too bad. Yeah, with a little practice, I think I'll get better. Okay, so there's my little bow maker.